Dear friends, I myself, Dr. Bharat Parab, discussing the topic remainder theorem in polynomials. To understand this, let us take the example of simple division as divide 19 by 6, 22 by 5 and 20 by 5. Three examples are given and division is carried here. First one 19 by 6, here 19 here, 6 here, 6 3 are 18, remainder is 1. Okay, 1 remains. Second one 22 by 5, 5 4s are 20, 22 minus 20 is 2. This is remainder. Okay, and 20 by 5, 5 4s are 20 and this 0, this is remainder. In this case it is 0. Okay, so these can be, all these can be expressed as 19 can be written as 6 into 3 plus 1, 6 into 3 plus 1 remainder. Okay, 22 can be written as 5 into 4 plus 2 remainder. This is remainder. Okay, and 20 can be written as 5 into 4 plus 0, as 0 is the remainder. Okay, 5 into 4. So try to understand this comment. 6 is not a factor of 19 as the remainder is not 0. See here. Okay, this is not 0 and 6 is not a factor of 19. 5 is not a factor of 22 as remainder is not 0 here. Okay, but 5 is factor of 20 here as a remainder is 0. Got it? How to recognize this? Okay, so go through this figure, very important figure. Remember this, and so that we'll remember the whole formula. Dividend is here, then divisor is here. What we find is quotient and a remainder. Okay, so for quantities, so in this divisor into quotient plus remainder is dividend. See, it is given here. This is to remember. Okay, so dividend, this is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, so if you remember this, you can remember this very easily. Okay, generally dividend and divisors are given and we have to find the other two, quotient and remainder. Okay, so now we can apply this theory to polynomials. So we can divide two polynomials as first one x square plus 3x by x. So x square plus 3x upon x equals, the separate the terms, x square upon x plus 3x upon x. X is cancels in both the cases and what we are left with x plus 3 plus 0. Remainder is 0. Therefore, we can write x square plus 3x as, see it is written here, x square plus 3 is equal to x into x plus 3 plus 0. Remember that formula, that figure. Okay, you will get it. And again a comment here, x is factor of x square plus 3x as remainder is 0. Got it? And second one, now divide x square plus 3x plus 1 by x. So we are dividing it here, x square plus 3x plus 1 by x. This equals, you are separating all the terms, x square upon x plus 3x upon x plus 1 upon x. As 1 cannot be divided by x, 1 will be the remainder, and x square plus 3x plus 1 can be written as, see we have written it here also and we are writing it here also, this polynomial x square plus 3x plus 1 equals x into x plus 3 plus 1. Okay, got it? Plus 1. As a remainder is not 0, x is not the factor of x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay, very important comment. Okay, so we move ahead. So we are now dividing two polynomials. Okay, this continues. So third one, divide x square plus 2x plus 1 by x plus 1. Earlier we have seen by only x. Now there are two terms, x plus 1. Okay, so there are certain steps. This is very easy actually. Try to follow these steps and try to solve these problems yourself, then you will see that it is very easy. Okay, now step 1. Okay, try to follow the steps actually. Okay, write the polynomial in decreasing order of degree. Here is already given. If it is not given like that, then write it in a decreasing order. Remember, it's decreasing order of degree. So just taken it here, x square plus 2x plus 1, write it here. This is dividend and this is a divisor, x plus 1. Okay, the moment you write this, now second step is very important. Okay, now first term of this divided by the first term of the divisor. Okay, see here step 2, x square upon x, do it. Okay, x square upon x, this is equal to x. Got it? Now see here, step 3, x, the answer is first term of quotient here. Okay, so write it here and multiply with divisor. So this x into the whole divisor. Okay, so as x into x plus 1 equal to x square plus x, or you can do like this, this x into x is x square and x into 1 is x. Got it? X into x plus 1 is x square plus x. You can write the whole thing like this, or it is very easy to do it like this. X into x is x square plus x into 1 is x. Got it? Now subtract it. Change the sign. It was plus plus. I made it minus minus, and x square goes, and 2x minus x is x. Now bring this plus 1 here. So this becomes x plus 1. Now repeat step 2 for the first term. So x upon x, see it is here, x upon x is equal to 1. Okay, remember you have to take along with sign. Sign is very important. You will come to know as we proceed further in this video or in this topic. Okay, so x upon x is 1, this is plus 1. So this is the second term of the equation. So plus 1. Now multiply this with the whole divisor, or you can do like this, 1 into x is x, 1 into 1 is 1, so x plus 1. Okay, or 1 into x plus 1 equal to x plus 1. Okay, and now subtract, change the sign. So x goes, 1 minus 1 goes, and you get a remainder as 0 0. Okay, hence we can write, so we can write it x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to x plus 1, this into x plus 1, this, plus remainder 0. What is remaining is 0. So this becomes x plus 1 plus x plus 1 into x plus 1. By chance you get it like this. So x plus 1 square. Okay. So actually it is like this, dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. If you remember that figure, we have seen this given here. Okay. Now I am just reading this comment, but though you will not understand this at the moment, as we go ahead in this topic, I will explain the meaning of this. Okay, this process is carried out till the remainder is 0 here, or the degree of new dividend here, or remainder is less than the degree of divisor. Okay, try to understand this, or I will explain it in further part of this video. Okay, so division of two polynomials continues. Fourth one, divide x square plus 2x plus 1 by x minus 1. So answer, step 1, write the polynomial in decreasing order of degree. This is already there, x square plus 2x plus 1, and as a divisor here x minus 1. And now the real step starts. X square upon x, this x square upon x is x, this is first term of the quotient, and this x into x is x square, and this x into minus 1 is minus x. See, it is minus x. Okay, so this is given here. Okay, in exam you need not write this, you should not write this actually. Okay, what is important is this part, even this you need not write. Okay, so change the sign. plus becomes minus and minus become plus. Okay, so x square cancels, and what you are left with 2x plus x. So it becomes 3x, carry this plus 1, and repeat this step 2. 3x upon x is 3. This is the second term of the quotient plus 3. Okay, now this 3 into x is 3x, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Okay, now if you subtract this, get 3x minus 3, yes, 3x minus 3x is 0, and 1, this becomes plus 3. Okay, so it becomes 4 remainder. Okay, so hence we can write x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to this divisor x minus 1 into x plus 3 quotient plus a remainder 4 here. Okay, now this is old quote, dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, and this is the sentence. Okay, carried out just for you to remember this. Okay, we move ahead. So the division of one polynomial by another polynomial continues. Okay, now divide x cube plus 2x square plus 2x plus 1 by x plus 1. Okay, so this is the crescendo way of proceeding. Now earlier I have increased the term here of divisor. Now I will increase the degree of the dividend. Okay, so it was x square, now it is x cube. Okay, now first step, write in the decreasing order of the degree. This already written, so copying it down like this. Okay, and divisor x plus 1. Second step, x cube upon x, first term upon this, it is given here. X cube upon x is x square, this is the first term of the quotient. So x square into x is x cube, and x square into 1 is x square. So change the sign, this goes with this, and 2x square minus x square is x square, and 2x plus 1 copied it on as it is. Now repeat the second step. X square upon x here is x. This is the second term of the quotient. Okay, so x into x is x square, and x into 1 is x. Okay, change the sign, this goes, and 2x minus x is x, bring this 1 here. Okay, and now again repeat that second step. X upon x is 1. This is the next term of the quotient plus 1, and multiply 1 by this divisor. 1 into x is x, 1 into 1 is 1, so change the sign, you get remainder as 0. Okay, instead of reading, you should always learn this with pen in your hand. Okay, pen and paper. Okay, try to solve it yourself and try to follow these steps. Okay, then you will see that it is very easy. Okay, there is one step extra in this. Okay, here, and here is something extra also, we will go to it. Okay, so therefore, so you can write it like this, that we were writing like this: dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So x cube plus 2x square plus 2x plus 1 can be written as this divisor x plus 1 into this quotient x square plus 2x plus 1 plus remainder is 0. Okay, now whenever you see this remainder is 0, okay, or is rather way other way around, when the in such type of problem x plus 1, when remainder is 0, the 0 of this polynomial is minus 1. You know this. Okay, we have learned about this in last video. So if you take that value x equal to minus 1, where is a 0 of this, and substituting this, see I have done it here. Okay, at x equal to minus 1 we get minus 1 cube plus 2 into minus 1 square plus 2 into minus 1 plus 1. So this is minus 1, this is 2, this is minus 2, and this is plus 1, and ultimately you get 0. Okay, we will come to this in further part of this topic. Now may not be in this video, or every time you will come across a such type of problems where the divisor 0 of this divisor polynomial is very important. Okay, now sixth one, same, x cube plus 2x square plus 2x plus 1 by x minus 1 now. Okay, so this is there. So x cube plus 2x plus 2x plus 1 by x minus 1 dividing by x minus 1. First step, x cube upon x is x square, and writing it here. X square into x is x cube, and x square minus 1 is minus x square. Okay, so change the sign. Earlier it was minus, and this becomes plus. So this cancels, and 2x square plus x square is 3x square, and copying it down like this. Okay, now repeating the second step, 3x square upon x. Here we get 3x. This is the second term of the quotient, 3x. So 3x into x is 3x square, and 3x into minus 1 is minus 3x. So you change the sign, this cancels, and you get plus 2x plus 3x is 5x plus 1. Now third step, 5x upon x equal to 5. This is the last step. Okay, so 5 into x is 5x, 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. Change the sign, and you get 5x by x cancels, and 1 plus 5 is 6. So this is the remainder. Okay, it's very easy. So I have taken it very fast. So you can write this x cube plus 2x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to x minus 1 into this. Okay, plus a remainder 6. Okay, so dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus a remainder. Now check the 0 of this is 1. Okay, now see this remainder is 6. Okay, so I'm just substituting value of this 0 of this polynomial into this here, checking for 1 cube plus 2 2 into 1 square plus 2 into 1 plus 1. So if you solve this, you get 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 6. See here, there is some similarity in this. We'll try to tackle this in further part. Okay, so next one, divide x raised to 4 plus 3x cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 2 by x square plus 2x plus 1. Now you must have seen there is a higher degree, or 1 degree is increased. This is 4 for a dividend, and even here there is this degree of the divisor is also 2. Okay, so you must have had enough practice of solving all this. This is actually very easy because steps are same and they are very easy. You can try it yourself. Okay, that will be a good practice and you will really enjoy this. Okay, so the first step is polynomial has to be written in a decreasing order of degree. It is, so I am just copying it like this. Okay, and the divisor here, and the second step is first term divided by, and this first term x raised to 4 upon x square is x square. Okay, this answer, this is the first term of the quotient x square. Now x square into x square is x raised to 4. X square into 2x is 2x cube. Okay, now x square into 1 is x square. Change the sign, this goes 3x cube minus 2x cube is x cube. 2x square minus x square is x square. Now copy it as it is. Okay, now again you have to repeat the step 2. I have not given it here purposely. I will tell you why. X cube upon x square is x, so I have written it here. Okay, now x into x square is x cube. X into 2x is 2x square, and x into 1 is x. Change the sign, this goes, and just see here, x square minus 2x square. So you get, you're left with minus x square. The sign is very, very important. Okay, now 3x minus x. Okay, so it is 2x, and this 2 carries out. I have given it here because there is a minus sign, and you should always remember that this minus sign is of much importance. Okay, so minus x square upon x square is, repeating of the step 2, you get minus 1. This is very important. Okay, so last step is minus 1, and now it is very easy. Minus 1 into x square is minus x square. Okay, minus 1 into 2x. Okay, it is minus 2x. Okay, and minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Now change the sign. Okay, minus 2 plus plus plus. This goes, and you are left with 2x plus 2x is 4x, and 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, and you can write this as dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, this is what is remaining. Okay, so we have written it like this. I need not repeat it again. Okay, now I was talking about this comment. Okay, say we read this process is carried out till the remainder is 0. You have done it, or the degree of knee dividend. This is dividend. Okay, degree of knee dividend is talking about the degree of this. Okay, our remainder is less than the degree of divisor. Now here degree of divisor is 2 and degree of this remainder is 1. So you have to stop it. That is what it means. I was talking about this in the previous some 2-3 slide previous to this. Okay. So see here degree of 4x plus 3 is 1 is, and that of divisor x square plus 2x plus 1 is 2. So when this degree goes down or is lesser than this, you have to stop or you have to repeat only till here. Okay, that is the meaning of this. Okay, so we move ahead. So next one, divide x cube plus x plus 4 by x minus 2. Okay, you must have noticed that x square term is missing in this. Okay, then what we should do in such type of condition? Just look at this. Okay, step 1, write the polynomial in a decreasing order of degree. So as x square or one term is missing, so x cube plus x plus 4 can be written as, and not only can be but has to be written as, x cube plus whatever is missing 0 into that x square. Okay, do write this plus x plus 4. This doesn't change the value of the main polynomial. Okay, but it's very useful. Okay, and decreasing order of the degree. Okay, generally in some books you can see that a blank place is left, but don't do it. Okay, now write this x cube plus 0x square plus x plus 4. Okay, and now carry out your other steps. X cube upon x is x square. This is the first term of the quotient. So x square into x is x cube, and x square into minus 2 is minus 2x square. Okay, so this is useful here. Okay, now change the sign. This goes and you are left with plus 2x square, and x plus 4 carries out. Now again this second step, 2x square upon x is equal to 2x, second term of the quotient, plus 2x. So plus 2x into x is 2x square, and plus 2x into minus 2 is minus 4x. Change the sign, this cancels, and this x plus 4x is 5x. This plus 4 carries like this. Okay, now 5x upon x is 5. It's the last term of the quotient. 5 into x is 5x, and 5 into minus 2 is minus 10. Change the sign, and you can see the solution, that the remainder is 14. Okay, so you can write this like this, x cube plus x plus 4 equal to, we know this, divided equal to divisor into quotient plus the remainder. Okay, so x minus 2 into quotient plus 14. Okay, got it? So this is how you have to, this is a hinge here. Okay, so you remember this. Okay, and if you see the remainder, the zero of this polynomial is 2, and if you substitute this 2 in this, you get it 2 cube plus 2 plus 4 is 8 plus 2 plus 4 is 14. This, okay, this was to for you to remind it. Okay, the zero of the divisor. If you take this value and substitute in this, you get remainder. Okay. Let us now generalize the remainder theorem. This is general form of this theorem. Okay. It is very easy actually. Only you should know the concepts very clear. Okay. And try to understand each word in this. I'm just going through this remainder theorem. Let Px be any polynomial of a degree greater than or equal to 1. What is here? It is simple. Let A be any real number. A is any real number. If Px is divided by x minus A, okay, that is x minus A is divisor, then remainder is P. What do we have to prove? If Px is divided by x minus A, then remainder is P. That is what we have to prove. Okay. Proof. Let Px, okay, this is symbolic form of polynomial. Okay, so we are using different signs like this. Let Px be any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1. Yes, we have to choose like this. Okay, suppose if Px is divided by x minus A, divisor. Okay, the quotient is Qx. Okay, another form of polynomial, and remainder is Rx. Okay, then you know this formula is very famous formula. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Then let us substitute all these values. Px in the polynomial. So this is a divisor, this is quotient, and this is remainder. So Px is equal to x minus A into Qx plus Rx. Okay. Till here it is very simple. Now we have to recall some rule. Just see, the degree of x minus A is 1. Know this. Okay. By rule, the degree of Rx, remainder, is 0, as the degree of Rx has to be less than the degree of x minus A. We have seen this rule. We carry out the division till the degree of remainder is less than. See, we are talking of the degree of remainder. Okay, the degree of remainder is less than the degree of divisor. So under that rule, x minus is 1, degree of x minus is 1, then degree of Rx is 0. Okay, now this is a twisting point. As degree of Rx is equal to 0, that means Rx is constant, say R. Okay, know this. So Rx is constant R for all values of x. Okay, now we can write this like this: Px equal to x minus A into Qx plus R. Okay, now for x equal to A, okay, for the, we know we have this A is the 0 of divisor. Okay, and we have seen by substituting 0 of divisor in main polynomial, okay, we get remainder. We know this. Okay, so we are doing the same thing here. PA is equal to 0 of remainder A minus A in place of x into Qx plus R. So this is A minus A is 0. So this quantity is 0, and you get PA is equal to R. Okay, remainder. That is what we have to prove. See, just here, we were trying to prove that if Px is divided by x minus A, then remainder is PA. This is P. Px is divided by x minus A, and if this is remainder, then we have seen that it's actually this, and we have seen this R is equal to P. Well, that is what we have to prove. Okay, try to understand this. Okay, so you will just finish it off. Pa is equal to R, which proves the theorem. Okay, so try to understand this. If still if you face any problem, then write to me in the comment section, and I will explain you what quantities we have to remind and what you have to study. Okay, so let us solve some exercise. Exercise: Example 1. Find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by, there are many values. We'll see first value x plus 1. Okay, this polynomial divisor. So we have to find only the remainder. Okay, so answer, to check the remainder of the dividend, this we need to substitute the value of variable x, this x, by the 0 of the divisor as shown. 0 of the divisor. Now here divisor is x plus 1, this, and its 0 is minus 1. You know the meaning of this. Okay, substitute. Substituting in this here, so minus 1 cube plus 3 into minus 1 square plus 3 into minus 1 plus 1. If you solve this, you get minus 1 plus 3 minus 3 plus 1. So ultimately you get 0. Okay, so this is the remainder. Okay, when this polynomial is divided by x plus 1. Now second value, the value of divisor is x minus 1 upon 2. Okay, answer, to check the value of remainder or to remainder of the dividend, we need to substitute the value of variable x by the 0 of the divisor as shown. Divisor is x minus half and its 0 is half plus half. Substitute. So I am substituting it here. 1 upon 2 the whole cube plus 3 into half square plus 3 into half plus 1. So you get 1 upon 8 plus 3 into 1 upon 4 plus 3 into half plus 1. If you solve it, 1 upon 8 plus 3 upon 4 plus 3 upon 2 plus 1. So if you take LCM, you get 27 upon 8. Okay, so that is a remainder. Okay, got it? Very, very simple. Now, so exercise continues. Third one, polynomial is same, divisor is x. So we will directly go to the answer. To check the remainder of the dividend, we need to substitute the value of variable x in this by the 0 of the divisor, and divisor is x, is 0 is 0. So substituting 0 in this, 0 cube plus 3 into 0 square plus 3 into 0 plus 1. All these are zeros and plus 1, the value is 1. Okay, very simple. Now fourth one, x plus pi, this is a divisor. Okay, to check the remainder of the dividend, we need to substitute the value of variable x by the 0 of the divisor. Okay, so divisor is x plus pi and its 0 is minus pi. Substitute, so minus pi cube plus 3 into minus pi square plus 3 into minus pi plus 1. So this is minus pi cube plus 3 pi square minus 3 pi plus 1. So the whole thing is a remainder. Okay, pi cube plus 3 pi square minus 3 pi plus 1. Okay, very simple. And now the last one, divisor is 5 plus 2x. Answer, to check the remainder of the dividend, we need to substitute the value of variable x here by the 0 of the divisor. This is divisor. So I am calculating the 0 of this. So 5 plus 2x equal to 0. So 5 goes here with minus sign and 2 goes down. So x equal to minus 5 upon 2. Remember the sign. Okay, substitute. This is copied down here. It is minus 5 upon 2 whole cube plus 3 into minus 5 upon 2 square plus 3 into minus 5 upon 2 plus 1. So this is 125 upon 8 with minus sign plus 3 into 25 upon 4, okay, plus sign, minus here, so 3 into 5 upon 2 plus 1. So if you solve it further, it is minus 125 upon 8 plus 75 upon 4 minus 15 upon 2 plus 1. If you take LCM, it's minus 125 plus 150 minus 60 plus 8 upon 8. So minus 125 plus 150 is 25 minus 60 plus 8 upon 8, that is this, with this is 33 minus 60 upon 8, ultimately the answer you get is minus 27 upon 8. This is the answer. Okay, this is the remainder. Got it? Now, second example, find the remainder when x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a is divided by x minus a. Okay, answer. The 0 of the divisor x minus a is a. Substitute. So substituting this will be a cube minus a into a square plus 6a minus a. So this is a cube. This will be also a cube with minus sign plus 6a minus a. So a cube goes. So 6a minus a is 5. This is the answer. Okay, very simple. Now, third example, check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x2 plus 7x square. Answer, to check the remainder of the dividend, we need to substitute the value of variable x, this x, by the 0 of the divisor as shown. So we will calculate the 0 of this, and this is divisor. So this is given here, 7 plus 3x equal to 0. This 7 goes here with minus sign and 3 comes down. So x equal to minus 7 upon 3. Okay, that is the 0 of this divisor. Now substitute. So this is copied down. So 3 into check it very carefully, minus 7 upon 3 whole cube plus 7 into minus 7 upon 3 square. Okay, this is the whole square. Okay, now take this minus 7 upon 3 square common along with square common. Okay, so I am taking this minus 7 upon 3 whole square common. What we are left here is with 3 into 1 7 upon 3. So 3 into 1 7 upon 3 with minus sign. Okay, okay, this is with minus sign, and plus 7 is all, the whole thing goes out. Okay, plus 7. Now 3 goes, so minus 7 plus 7, so it is here. So minus 7 upon 3 square into the another bracket is minus 7 plus 7, that is 0. So whole thing becomes 0. Okay, remember, should never forget sign. Okay, it's very important. Okay, so as remainder is 0, 7 plus 3x, this is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x square. Okay, so that's your answer. Okay, this is Dr. Bharat Parab helping you in your studies. If you have any difficulty in this topic of remainder theorem in polynomials, let me know through comment section and I shall solve it. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanking you. Good luck.